So in this video, we will look at adding a Countif statement, which will count the different activities from our activity column, column E. So before you do this, you do need to fill in the different activities first. I made a drop-down list using data validation. This was the criteria for the list. So once you've done that, then you go down here to cell E32. We're going to put a Countif. So essentially what the Countif does, it counts all the different, or looks through all these different values for a particular one. And we're going to say we want it to look for CrossFit, and we want to count how many times the word CrossFit happens in column E in each of the different cells. So let's start our Countif equals Countif. Okay. Open bracket. So now you're ready to put in the range that you want to count, which is from E2 all the way down to E31, and then you put in a comma. Okay, so it's going to look in these cells for a particular value or word, or it is a word or a label, text, and that is CrossFit. Now it's not case sensitive, so you can just put in small c for cross. You can see here it's capital C. Just make sure at the end you close your speech mark and your bracket, and it should pick up 5. Now you can manually count just to see if that's the case. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now you want to put this into these cells as well. Before you do that, there'll be two things you need to do. One is you need to lock these cells using absolute cell referencing. So it's put a $ before and after the E. Then if you drag it down, it will come up with 5 for all. The reason is it's still looking for the word CrossFit. So you will need to change that in each one, so in each cell that's parallel, running parallel or beside the activity, and change it to that activity. So of course, in this one, we want to count how many boot camps there are. So we just change that to boot camp. Okay, and you can see there's only one boot camper. And then the same again here, so we put in strength training. So I'm just going to copy that, go into here, delete CrossFit, and then just copy paste, paste strength training. You can see there's 2 and so on. That way you'll get through all of it. Now what you can do just to check these are working, you can put a check digit in here, so equals sum. So it's going to count the total, which should match how many different people you have. So I've got 30. So at the end here, that should be 30. Check sum or check digit, and that basically counts how many different activities have been entered. Okay, so that should be 30. It's 38 at the minute because I still haven't changed these kind of statements. Okay, thanks for watching.